First, head over to cooperandhunter.us and log in. Once logged in, navigate to the merch store section. On the right side, you'll see your available points displayed. Make sure you have a minimum of 300 points to request a cashback. Next to your points, you'll find an icon labeled Request Cashback. You will be prompted with a request form to fill with your information. After completing the form, click Submit. Within 48 hours after approval of our team, you'll receive a digital check via email. The email will contain links with 4 ways to redeem your check: direct deposit, print and deposit, and peer-to-peer apps such as Venmo and Zelle. To continue earning points, remember to register the warranties for systems you've installed. Keep in mind, points reset at the end of the calendar year, so be sure to redeem them in time.